again, and welcome back to my channel. If you saw one of my recent videos, I did like a 6-month update about the channel and different things I've got on the go, and in it I was actually talking about some of the things I've been doing, working on in the house. Now I am trying my utmost to rid the world of gloss paint, particularly the stuff that goes quite yellow, and this house is absolutely full of old gloss paint. So I've been stripping the door frames, which is taken a little while, but I also replaced the skirting boards in the lounge. I think I put up a couple of little pictures. I'll probably flash them up now. In essence, the skirting boards are absolutely disgusting, so I decided to make my own, and I got some 25mm thick, and the timber yard very kindly cut them into 100mm strips for me. And I replaced them, and I was really happy with the finished product. It looked really smart. But I actually had quite a few lengths of the 100mm strips left, and I thought, I don't want to let them go to waste, so what am I going to do with them? So I was looking through the back catalogue, as you do, of Peter Millard's videos, and his very first one was how to make kind of shaker style doors. And I was looking at these beautiful white gloss doors under the stairs that don't even close properly, and I thought, perfect. So this video is a two-part series, because clearly you can see it's not finished yet, on how I managed to make and assemble these shaker style doors. Now 10-minute workshop style I called it. I did get in touch with Peter and he did agree to let me use that, so hopefully no solicitor's letter in the post. And I maybe should rechristen this 10-hour workshop, because it took a little bit longer than what I thought it was going to take. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Right, the problem I've got with this dry fit is the panel I've cut, the centre panel, I cut it a little bit narrower, thinking it would have been easier to actually, when I was doing the putting it all together. But on the dry fit, what's happening is when I'm pushing the panel into the STILE, it's going all the way in, and then there's no panel on that side for the other STILE. So my solution, I think, is to glue the rails and let that set, so it should sort of go off, which will leave sufficient amount of panel either side to then go on to the STILEs. I'm not even making sense myself. Anyway, I'm going to give it a go. Right, had it glued for a few minutes, not let it go off obviously, so I'm going to glue the side panel, the sides, and then get the ratchet strap around the whole thing, check it square, and hope for the best.